these chests. This room might be too big. I might have to shrink it. I'm gonna see how it feels in gameplay. And you know what would be cool is if we, this dungeon's already been looted by adventurers, so this chest is gonna be open. And then let's take our friend here. Move him over here as well. Maybe, he was guarding the chest with his friend over here as well. And let's put the cart outside. How did that happen? Trash cart over here. Where's the crafting workbench? Maybe that's somewhere over here. And then I remember seeing like a cave opening. What was this? Yeah. Is that like another door? Like an archway we can use? Let's see if we can find an archway. Doesn't look like. I just see walls and stuff. So maybe for now we'll just clone the doorway. And swing this around. Oh, right. I remember now. Because these doorways don't have backs. I forget how I handled that previously. I think I might have just doubled up the wall. Let me check again. Walls. These all have backs. This was double-sided. The door wasn't. So I think we're just going to have to double up. So let's make sure this is on a thing. So 20. Okay. And then let's duplicate it. Oops. Swing it around. Okay. Doesn't look horrible. Same here. Duplicate it. Swing it around. Pull it back. Okay. Then they do have archways in here for the doors, so we'll use one archway. There's one. Let's see. I think this is the double. So let's drag that up here. Actually, we should make it. Yeah, you know what? Let's do this. Let's. Let me find here. This. Yeah. So let's give this a parent. And then let's take the archway. Move that in here as well. Oh, oops. Let's actually make this a child. Reset it. So it's that corner. Then put this is a child. This is a child. This is a child. Reset this. Reset this. Three. No, this is a 0, I guess. 0, yeah. Okay. See, the problem is on the inside because we have the wall doubled up. It doesn't stick out, and I want to. Let's make sure this is as tight as possible without bleeding into each other. As long as we don't see the back of it. I think it overlaps a little bit. But I think it's the best we got. Okay. So we're going to call this the door frame. Double door frame. Double door frame. Prefabs, walls. Play that in there. 520. Oops, not 50. Then we can actually duplicate this. And then find this one. Make that a child. Reset it. Delete. And make this one. Duplicate. Make that a child. Set it. Move it. Delete. Where's this one? That was the other side of that, so we can delete that one. Okay. And here we're just going to need 2 platforms. Let's do this and this. Duplicate. This in the hallway. Watch this one. Delete. Then we can actually we can take all of these. So here. So the tunnel, door frame, other door frame, and the floor. We'll just make that whole thing a prefab. Oops. All this hallway. delete that now. We can delete that now. Duplicate our hallway. All right, so let's just take a look. Still have you guys? Everyone paying attention? Alright, so just gotta slide this over. So that's playing. We want it to lower as we get further away. We'll have to fix that in the sound. That's sunk because there's no So what I was thinking, I went to the wall. I have to add colliders. So what I was thinking was that was actually something you can upgrade. So like you would start with 2 brooms and then you can like buy more brooms, or you can upgrade to have more brooms. That could be part of the things that would make you better. Because originally I was going to have it where you'd actually have to go here and be like, you know, sweep, 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 and then, you know, get it away. But then I made it a magic broom that kind of worked like, you know, like Mickey Mouse and Fantasia, where you put the broom there and it kind of magically sweeps until it pops out a bucket. And then so then I was like, okay, well then it makes sense you had more than 1 broom, and you get them back after you use them. Oops. So yeah. Let's put the ceiling in. Actually, I want to make a torch too. Oh. This was the other project I was talking to you guys about. Finally open. So yes, I do want to make it fall on the ground. I do want to make it fall on the ground. And then you have to pick it back up. But I was thinking you got more than 1. So this was the Game Jam project I was working on for Ludum Dare. This was a 72-hour jam, I should say. So let's see if the bootstrap works. I don't know the state I left this project in, so it probably won't work. Maybe. The theme of this jam was summoning. So my idea was that it's called Crystal Siege. So I had, you know, I was working on getting all this stuff. I used the UI that I had. I don't do any art. So any art that you see is all stuff that I've acquired over time. Same thing with music and sounds. Like I'm not a person. I just code. So we start the game. This was going to explain how to play. Basically, you have to protect the crystal by summoning in different spells. So we have the wave incoming. And did I even... don't even have the spells working. I thought I did. Guess not. And I guess the wave spawn. But this is the room I wanted to show you. So I had the lighting all messed up, but I finally got the lighting working. I think the lighting looks pretty good. I do. I'm happy to show you that project. It's very bare bones right now because I was working on multiplayer. So actually, here, let me close this one. Yeah, objective is now no, it's not working. That project was in a mess. So let's see, survival game. This is the one. So I'll let this open. I'll show you guys that in a second. I do feel like this initial room's a little big, so I do want to shrink it. I'm going to shrink it by 1, so let's make it a 3 by 3. I think that would be better. So let's delete. I'll have to move this dirt pile, this pile. There, delete. Oh, what's up, Tapier? think that's a better starting room. That's exactly what a criminal would say, take it. I'm on to you. Seriously? Like we did before, we're going to add a Pro Builder cube. And what we'll do is we will take a vertex, and we will make the vertex the pivot point. Set pivot point to selection. So now the pivot point is the bottom left corner. Center point is there. Not pivot point. Center point. No. Still didn't do it. I want this guy. Object. Oh no, not center pivot. I want set pivot to selection. Make sure I did it right. Oh, because this is at the center. That's weird. Case. So now we go to Pro Builder, Object, Flip Normals. So now it's the reverse. Okay. And now let's just move this. Oops. this out a little bit so we can work with it. In fact, I'll do it like this. And then we can select that, do Alt U to do an edge loop, do it there. Make that one, another edge loop, make it there. And then we're actually going to need an edge loop for, oops, for right there. Select the face, and we're going to extrude it like that. We're going to take the face and we're going to extrude it like tick. And then we're going to delete the face. Delete the face. Okay. Now to get this, doesn't have to be perfect. But if we wanted to make this a little bit better, we can add an edge loop. Control and Alt U. Move it like there. Another one, Alt U. Move it like there. And another edge loop. Move it up to about here. And then we could take these two vertices and delete them. Delete one. I guess you have to. Snaps to the right. So that's one side is angled.